Hello everyone, welcome to How to Solver. I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am going to show how to protect your site from hackers. So at first go to your admin dashboard and then you have to install a plugin which is Solid Security. Let's activate it. Okay, you can see the plugin is already activated. So now refresh it and then go to security and click on the setup. You have to provide some information. There is an option that what type of website is that. I am providing blog and then click on the next. Okay, I am going to click on delete connection, then click on the next. This is my own website. Okay, select enforce a password policy, then click on the next. Provide some information if you want. If you want, you can open two-factor. I am going to select default user groups. Here you can provide and manage some information, then click on the next. So at admin @condel.xyz. Okay, then click on the complete setup. Okay, you can see the output. Your site is secure and ready for your users. That's all for today. Thank you. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.